Good morning, students. Today I am going to discuss the exercise number 1.1 in the chapter sets. So, this is the basic exercise. So, based on the basic definition, we can answer all these questions. So, the first question is, which of the following are sets? Justify your answers. So you have to say whether the given information brings a set or not. So the first one, A bit, the collection of, so first I would like to define what is a set. Set means we know that it is a well-defined collection of distinct objects. Set means it is a well-defined collection of distinct objects. Suppose if we say that the collection of bright students in a class, it is not a set because bright is not a defined properly. But suppose if you say that the collection of students in a class whose marks are less than 80%, then we can treat it as a set. So the basic property is the set must be defined properly. So here we see whether the given information is defined properly or not. So there are I bits. So first one, the collection of all the months of a year beginning with the letter J. So clearly I can say that it is a set. So there are months having January, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. So there are 3 months, namely January, June, July. So this is a set whose beginning letter is with J. So I can say that it is a set. And coming to the second, the collection of 10 most talented writers in India. Here talented writers, most talented. That means here it is not defined properly. So I can say that it is not a set. Set means it should be well defined collection of distinct objects. Here most talented is not a well defined collection of distinct objects, so we say that it is not a set. A team of 11 best cricket batsmen of the world. So I can say that it is also not a set because best cricket batsman. So it is not a well defined thing, so I can say that it is not related to a set. The collection of all boys in your class, this is a set. The collection of all boys. So there are boys and girls in the class. So if you treat boys as one set, the girls as other set. So the collection of all boys means it is a set. Next, the collection of all natural numbers less than 100. So I can say that it is also a set. The elements will be 1, 2, 3, 4, so on, 99. Natural number starts with 1. So less than 100 means it up to 99 will be available in the set. Next, F, a collection of novels written by a writer Munshi Premchand. So this is also a set. So already it is well defined. So the novels written by Munshi Premchand. So in the set all the novels will come under this set. The collection of all even integers. This is also set. All even integers. So minus 2, 0, 1, 2, 4, 6, so on. So these are all the even numbers. The collection of questions in this chapter. This is also a set. Questions. So you can frame all questions as one set. A collection of most dangerous. So it is not well defined. Most dangerous animals in the world. It is not a set. So set must be a well defined collection of distinct objects. So based on that definition, I told that this is a set, this is not set like that. Next, second example. So the set A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Insert appropriate symbol belongs to or not belongs to. in the blanks. So here clearly very simple question. So here set A is given that the elements containing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So here the set 5 belongs to A, 8 does not belongs to A, 0 also not in there, 4 belongs to A, 2 belongs to A, 10 is not belongs to A. Very simple question. Next, write the following sets in roster form. So A is equal to x such that x is an integer and x in between minus 3, 7 includes minus 3, excludes 7. And that means that in this set the elements minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up to 6. So 7 should not be in the set because less than 7. Right. Integer means only integral values, no decimal value. Real numbers are minus 2.5 like that. That numbers will not be allowed in the set. B, x is a natural number less than 6. Natural number less than 6 means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 only. Natural number starts with 1 up to 5 only. Less than 6 means. So 6 not included in the set. Next, C bit. X is a 2-digit number such that the sum of digits is 8. So 2-digit number means it will 1 7. 1 plus 7 is equal to 8. 17. Similarly 2 6. 2 plus 6 8. 35. 3 plus 5 8. So 4th start ayedi 4 4 double 4. Next 53. 62. 71. And one more number 80. 8 plus 0 8. So the set consisting of the digits 2-digit numbers 17, 26, 35, 44, 53, 62, 71, 80. So next D bit. X is a prime number which is divisor of 60. Divisor of 60 means 2 is the divisor, 3 is the divisor, 5 is the divisor. The other numbers will not come in the set. So other prime numbers 7, 11, 7 is not divisor, 11 is not divisor, 13, those numbers not will be in the set. The next one, E is equal to the set of all letters in the word trigonometry. So the letters will come T, R, I, Z, O, N, already O in the set, M, E, T already exists in the set, R also there. So next Y. So these are the elements in the set. And for the last example, the set of all letters in the word better, B, the next one E, T, E already in there, R is the next one, B, E, T, R. These are the elements in the set. So very elementary level problems. Next, on coming to the fourth example, write the following sets in the set builder form. So 3, 6, 9, 12. How can I write 3, 6, 9, 12? Here I will write fourth question. 3, 6, 9, 12. X such that x is equal to 3n, where n is in between 1 less than or equal to n less than or equal to 4. So have you clear? Are you clear all of you? X such that x is equal to 3n, where n varies from 1 to 4. When you put n is equal to 1, the first element you will get 3, n2 6, n3 9, n4 12. Next, on coming to the second example, the fourth bit, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32. How I can write x such that x is equal to 2 power n, where n is in between 1 and 5. n and 5. 2 power 1 2. 2 square 4. 2 cube 8. 2 power 4 16. 2 power 5 32. Next, on coming to the third example, x is such that x is equal to 5 square or 5 power n, where n is in between 1 and 4. Am I right? n1 5, n2 5 square 25, n3 5 cube 125, n4 625. Next, fourth example, 2 4 6 so on. So 2 4 6 so on. So there are the infinite number of elements in the set. So I can write in general x such that x is an even natural number. X is such that x is an even natural number. Natural number means only positive values from starts with 1. So even numbers means 2 4 6 8 so on, etc. So fifth one, 1 4 9 so on. So x is such that x is equal to n square, where n is in between 1 and 10. If I put n is equal to 1, the value 1. When you put n is equal to 2, 2 square 4. When n is equal to 3, 3 square 9, etc. so on. When you put n is equal to 10, 10 square, that will be the last element, 100. So that is the example number 4. All 5 completed in the question number 4. Next, on coming to the fifth problem. So similarly, I will write here only. List all the elements of the following sets. All the elements. X is an odd natural number. Odd natural number means 1, 3, 5, 7, so on. Odd natural number. Natural number starts with 1. Odd numbers means 1, 3, 5, 7, 2 will not be there. 4, 6, those elements will not be exist in the set. Only odd values and moreover natural numbers. So this, see the second example. X is an integer, lies between the two values. This is minus 0.5 and this is x less than 4.5. So these two values are real values, but we have to identify only the integers in between them. The integers 0, am I right? Minus 0.5 to 4.5, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Am I right? Minus 0.5 to 4.5. In between these values, the integer values will be exist as 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Next, x is an integer such that x square less than or equal to 4. So x square less than or equal to 4 means x square minus 4 less than or equal to 0. Or if I write in factor form, x plus 2 into x minus 2 less than or equal to 0. That means x belongs to the interval minus 2 comma 2. Minus 2 nunchi 2 values. And this set contains minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2 only. Next, and coming to the fourth bit, x is a letter, x such that x is a letter in the word loyal. So what are the words will exist? L, O, Y, A. In the set there exists only 4 letters, L, O, Y, A. L is already exists, so you need not to mention. Next, X is a month of a year not having 31 days. That means you have to write all the months which are not having 31 days. So January 31 days, that will not come in this set. So write February, March 31 days, April 30 days, April, May 31, write June 30 days, July 31, August also 31 days, September 30 days, October again 31 days, so that will not come in this set. November will come in this set, and December again 31 days. So the set will consist of February, April, June, September, November. So the last one, X is a consonant in the English alphabet which precedes K. So K alphabet lo A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, so on. So before K there exist these alphabets, but these should be consonants. If there is any vowel, you have to eliminate. So you'll get only B, C, D, F, G, H, I will be eliminated, J. So these will be in the set B, C, D, F, G, H, J. So similarly do the last problem, just matching. So you do it as homework. Match each of the set on the left in the roster form with the same set in the right described in set builder form. For example, 1, 2, 3, 6. 1, 2, 3, 6 is the X is a natural number and is divisor 6. So the appropriate one is 1 related to C. X is a natural number. Natural number means it starts with 1 and divisor of 6. 1 is divisor of 6, 2 is divisor of 6, 3 is divisor of 6, 6 itself it is divisor. So the 1 is related to C. So you see and tell the answers. That is the given as homework. So there ends the exercise number 1.1. Thank you.